Hello everyone and welcome to the new part of the tutorial for Crochet Blanket Lotus created by Veronica Liachovic from wecrochetpatterns.com. In this video we will be making rounds 56 and 57. As usual, links to the playlist where you can find all previous parts of the tutorial you will find in description to this video. Let's begin our work. In written pattern, both rounds 56 and 57 are made of the same color, color A. I will also follow this pattern and will be making both rounds of the same color. Round 56. You will find this round very easy because it consists just of one element, third back loop, single crochet, and we make third back loop single crochet in every stitch of the previous round. Just we need to find the correct stitch to start our work. We make standing third back loop single crochet in any half double crochet of the previous round before the first marked middle of the side stitch. So this is our marker that shows us the first middle of the side stitch, and we are making third back loop single crochet in half double crochet before it. Here I have it. And then so on in every stitch of the previous round, third back loop single crochet. I like number 7, so I will be making with you first 7 stitches, and then I'm absolutely sure you will be able to finish this round all by yourself. So first one, the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So, and one standing third back loop single crochet. Meet you at the end of the round. Okay, and here we are. Slip stitch in standing third back loop single crochet. Round 56 is ready. And let's move the markers. We still need them, so we need to move them to the new position. Okay. Ready for the round 57. We continue working with the same color. Chain 1, that doesn't count as a stitch, single crochet in the same stitch. And then we repeat 8 times the following combination. Chain 2, we skip next 2 stitches, actually we have markers in both of them, and then single crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The first time we made this repeat. Let's make one more. 2, chain 2, we skip next 2 stitches, single crochet in next 5 stitches. 4 and 5. 2 out of 5. Chain 2, skipping next 2 stitches, and in next 5 single crochet. 4 and 5. 1 2 3. Now the fourth repetition, skipping chain 2, skipping 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5. 2 3 4 and 5, and the last fifth repeat, 2 chain 2, skipping next 2 stitches, single crochet in next 5. 2 3 4 and 5. So we have a 1 2 3 4 and 5. Oh, sorry, we need 8. So let's continue. Chain 2, skipping next 2 stitches, single crochet in next 5. 3 4 and 5. This was our sixth repetition. Chain 2, skipping next 2 stitches, single crochet in next 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now the final 8th repetition. Chain 2, skipping next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5. 3 4 and 5. Okay, done. Chain 2, we skip next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, and in the next stitch cluster of 3 triple crochets. Ready. Chain 3, cluster of 3 triple crochets in next stitch. Chain 3, cluster of 3 triple crochets in the next stitch of the previous round. At this point, we have 3 clusters made in one after another, and chain 3s between them. Chain 3, we skip next 2 stitches, 1 2, and in the next one cluster of 3 triple crochets. Chain 2, cluster of 3 triple crochets in the next one. Chain 1, cluster of 3 triple crochets in the next stitch of the previous round. Oh, sorry. We need to make 3 cluster of 3 triple crochets. Ready. Chain 2, chain 2, and one more cluster of 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. this group of 4 clusters one after another. They are our corner group. And to make you easier to count, these 4 clusters are made in these 4 stitches, 4 triple crochets, the central ones. And then we make 3 chain 3, skip next 2 stitches and cluster of 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. Ready? Chain 3, 1 more cluster in the next stitch of the previous round. Chain 3, 1 more cluster in the next stitch of the previous round. And this is how our corner group looks like. And we are on the side again. Chain 2, we skip next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and starting the next one, we make single crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, we skip next 2 stitches and in next 5 stitches single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to make more repetition to reach the middle of the side. In total we should have 7 chain 2s. So let's continue. Chain 2, we skip next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5 stitches. One more time. Chain 2, skip in next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5 stitches. Chain 2, skip in next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5 stitches. 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, we skip next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5. 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 more to go. Chain 2, we skip next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2, skipping next 2 stitches and single crochet in next 5. 3, 4, and 5. And finally we finished first repeat and reached the middle of the next side. And here are our two markers, because when we will continue with the next repeat, we make chain 2, skip next 2 stitches, our markers are in those 2 stitches, and in next 5 start making 5 single crochet in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this repeat we should make 8 times, and then the corner. I'm pretty sure you will be able to make all the sides all by yourself, and I will meet you at the end of this round 57. And finally the end of the round. Slip stitch in standing single crochet of the round. We can cut the yarn, secure the ends. Next rounds will be making of another color. And I also need to tell you that we need to move the markers. We had 2, now we need just 1, and we place it in chain 2 space in the center of the side, in the middle of the side. This part of the tutorial is finished. Meet you in the next one, where we'll be making rounds 58 and 59. Thank you, and I wish you to have easy stitches creating your wonderful blankets.